Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech World Tutorial. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send photos in TikTok messages. To do that, first open up the TikTok app and go on Inbox. Click on the person profile that you want to send the message to. Well, as you can see, there is no picture sending option here. There is emoji option and send text option, but no picture sending option. So to send the picture to your friend, you either have to make a video and send it to the person. And to do that, first go to your gallery and choose any one picture and click the share icon, which should be on your left corner. And then send it to TikTok. Click share to TikTok. And now, as you can see, it has created a video of this picture. Now click next and post it to your TikTok account. As it has been posted, go to your profile and click on the photo that you have posted. Now to share, click that three dots. After that, you can see send to, and they'll show your friend list. Click on the friend you want to send it to and type a message you want to write. For now, I will write and send. So the photo has been sent in the form of a video. So this is the process of sending photos in TikTok messages. Hope you find this video helpful. If it was, then do like and comment down any queries or suggestion. If you're new, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified of our newest upload. Stay tuned as we will be providing similar kind of content. But for now, thank you for watching.